Step 1. Educate yourself. The first step is to educate yourself about investing. Read books, articles, and watch videos about investing. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Understand the risks and benefits of each type of investment. Step 2. Set goals. The second step is to set goals for your investments. What do you want to achieve? Do you want to save for a specific purchase, like a car or a trip? Or do you want to build long-term wealth? Once you have your goals in mind, you can start to develop a plan for your investments. Step 3. Start small. The third step is to start small. As a student, you may not have a lot of money to invest, but that's okay. You can start with as little as $50 or $100 per month. The key is to start early and be consistent. Over time, your investments will grow and compound.